Richie Knotts. Welcome to Rapid View Feature Focus. Today we're going to be focusing on the ATC. ATC stands for Automatic Tilt Compensation. Basically what that means is we're basically going to help you guys cut down on tipping your tractors over inside of the pipe. How many times are you regularly tipping over your tractor in the pipe? Is it daily? Is it weekly? Is it even monthly? Most of the time the answer is daily or weekly. And we all know once you're tipped over in the pipe, bad things tend to happen. We risk damaging the camera, we risk damaging the tractor, we risk damaging the cable. It also leaves us more vulnerable to getting hung up on offset joints on the way back. And nobody likes getting hung up on offset joints on the way back because that potentially heightens our risk of having to dig up these tractors from the main line. And nobody wants that. So with the ATC, IBAK's built-in sensors into our T76 tractor and our T66 tractor that gauge the angle these tractors are at in the pipe. What these sensors do is, once the tractors get more than 15 degrees up one side of the pipe versus the other, our inside drive wheels actually turn off and the outside drive wheels force the tractor to drive back into the center of the pipe. And I'm actually going to demonstrate that right now. Basically, let's act like the operator's driving down the main line right now and he gets up on this side. You see it kills the inside drive wheels, forces the tractor back to the center of the pipe. Same goes for the other side. All this is happening with the operator inside of the office having no idea that this ATC is working for them. So at the end of the day, less tip overs while you're doing your mainline inspections is going to save you thousands and thousands of dollars in the long run, and it's also going to save you a lot of downtime. So I want to thank you all today for tuning in to Rapid View's feature focus of the day. Next time you're tipped over in a main line and you're fighting that tractor, I want you to remember this feature, ATC. Thanks again.